Ugh. I can't believe we've been sent to do this midnight run, all because we were teasing Clinchfield. Doesn't the controller ever learn that it's just a joke for once? Well, you and Alex have been very naughty, and you've delayed Clinchfield when he was trying to deliver that coal. And normally you caused a great deal of trouble. Now get used to traveling at night, or else I will have to report you to Mr. Clinton when we get back to Highland Valley. Ugh, fine. We'll keep going. But the sooner I'm done, I'm going back to the shed and get some good sleep. Tell me about it. I'm getting tired of seeing things going away from me when I have to trail. I'd rather see things going forward for once in a while. Who asked you to be so talkative at night? Why are we stopping here? There's no other trains on this line. Maybe a passenger train is coming through, or we have to wait for the signal to be fixed. I'll go into the station master's office and find out what the problem is. It feels like it's been 4 hours since our driver left. Hey, dude, do you have a feeling that we're being followed by someone? No, I don't think so. We're the only ones out here tonight. That's odd. I thought I heard a train whistle. The station master told me that the signal's working properly. We'll just have to wait for another train to clear the line. So we're just stuck here at this station until the other train clears the track in front of us. Did you just see that? That train just zoomed right past us. Indeed I did, but it looked all ghostly and it had a red glowing headlight. That must have been Demon 13 from the New Jersey Central. Oh, he's come back to haunt the rails again. Clinchfield wasn't joking. Ghosts exist. Even I'm getting freaked out here. I think it's best we gotta get out of here quickly. So do I.